Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I will show you how to watch offline in Netflix. Let's begin. So, what if in some cases you're not able to access to any internet connection, or you're pretty much offline. Either you're in an airplane, or like you're in a flight, you lose internet connection, or that you basically have an outage. So and then you still want to continue watching Netflix. You can actually do that by watching offline. Now, what you need to do is just a little bit of, some process of downloading. I will show you that today. So first things first, you just need to make sure that you're successfully logged into your Netflix account or Netflix app. You can do this in your mobile phone, desktop, tablet, or on TV, and there's a way for you to actually watch offline. So first option is you would go to, like, if you look at the bottom part of the page, you can see downloads, right? Just tap on that. So there's a way for you to download. Now, if you tap on see what you can download, bear in mind that not all movies or series are downloadable, if that's a term. But yeah, not all can be downloaded. But pretty much, I would say most of the series or movies can be downloaded and you can actually watch them offline. So, how to do that, guys? Say, for instance, I want this one, and then see just below play, you could tap on this one for you to download. So if I click on that, you can download and you can actually watch this even if you're offline. So I would just have to cancel download just to make sure that I still have enough space on my mobile phone. There's also another way for you to do that. Say, for instance, I would want to access, let's pick a movie here, or okay, I will have this Pinky Malinky. So if you see this, guys, this episode, so if you just want to have a specific episode that you want to, download, there's an option for you to also just at the right side, you can see this icon, right? Means download. You could also tap that and you can download and watch them offline. So I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.